The problem for homework, integral 0 to a and a minus under root of a square minus y square to a plus under root of a square minus y square. Obviously, this particular limits represent variable x. I will have to simplify them for determining the region. Consider x is equal to a minus under root of a square minus y square. Transfer this a. So it is x minus a is equal to minus times under root of a square minus y square. Squaring both sides will remove the minus sign and the square root sign. So it becomes x minus a the whole square is equal to a square minus y square. So x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Y square can be written as y minus 0 the whole square. So this is equal to, or this is similar to the equation of a circle with center as a comma 0 and radius is equal to a. So x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square will represent a circle with center at a comma 0 and radius equal to a. Appropriately draw the circle. Initially variable limits appear for x, means there must be an horizontal strip, but now as per the change of order of integration, the strip to be drawn for obtaining the new limits is vertical strip. Vertical strip बोले तो parallel to y axis. ठीक है? Kindly try it and simplify. The next question is evaluate integral 0 to infinity x to infinity e to the power minus y upon y dx dy by change of order of integration. These limits are appearing in x, means they shall represent variable y, and obviously these limits are constant which will represent variable x. Now x is equal to 0 is this y axis, x is equal to infinity is this region, x is equal to y. X is equal to y is a line wherein it is passing through origin, and y is equal to x is a line, or x is equal to y, and y is equal to infinity बोल रहे हैं, यानी ये सब पोर्शन है ना. अभी मुझे बताइए यहाँ पर रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन कहाँ पर सारा ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है, यहाँ पर सारा ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है. सो वी लीव दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन ऑफ integration, and hence the strip will be drawn particularly to this. In the earlier case it was 0 to x, right? This particular figure is already drawn, but there the condition ye dekho, it is more similar to this if you see, but here the limits were 0 to x and here the limits are y to x, sorry, x to infinity, and therefore that makes a difference. Here it is x to infinity, and therefore this upper half of the region will be considered and this portion will be left out or cut off, and that is how we try to draw the strip and then get the limits. Now ये y के है, ये ने पहले जो strip होगी वो कैसी होगी, vertical होगी. So for new limits I will have to just draw the horizontal strip in the given bounded region. So from the given limits of integration, the region of integration is drawn. By change of order, we get variable limits for x and constant limits for y. x कहां से कहां तक जा रहा है, 0 to y तक. ये स्ट्रिप आप रोल करते जाओगे तो y कहां से कहां तक जा रहा है, 0 से आगे, ये तो खुला आसमान है, तो it will be infinity. So x is now converted to the variable limit and y is now converted to the constant limit. So x is moving from 0 to y, y is moving from 0 to infinity. So this complete integral gets transformed to y is equal to 0 to infinity, x is equal to 0 to y, e to the power minus y upon y dy dx. Now integration will be done first with respect to x, keeping y constant. E to the power minus y upon y constant, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx इज x, सिंप्लीफाई, ये y y कैंसल हो जाएगा. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर माइनस y इज e टू द पावर माइनस y अपॉन माइनस 1. Put upper limit as infinity, lower limit as 0, your answer comes out to be 1. So integral 0 to infinity, integral x to infinity, e to the power minus y upon y dx dy is equal to 1. So in this case In the earlier case also the figure was same, but boundary was 0 to x. Here the boundary is x to infinity. तो मैंने ऊपर वाला रीजन कंसिडर किया है because this particular region is divided symmetrically, since the equation y is equal to x is a line which passes through origin. So do the comparison. The best way or the simple philosophy is रीजन के लिए शेडेड पोर्शन कंसिडर करिएगा, जहां पर आपको ओवरलैपिंग और मर्जिंग दिखेगा, दैट विल बी द पोर्शन टू बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. Similarly, this is another pattern wherein the limits of integration are given to you as evaluate by changing order of integration 0 to b, 0 to a by b under root of b square minus y square xy dx dy. These are the limits for x, these are the limits for y. So y के लिमिट्स है 0 to b, x के लिमिट्स है 0 to a by b under root of b square minus y square. Y equal to 0 means x axis, y equal to b means a line which will be passing through the y axis. X equal to 0 means y axis, x is equal to this. इसको लेकर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे so that we try to get the region, because I am not able to interpret the region as of now looking at this. So x is equal to a by b under root of b square minus y square. Squaring both sides because we have to remove the under root. So x square is equal to a square upon b square minus y square. आई बात समझ में? ओपन द ब्रैकेट, x square is equal to a square minus y square upon b square, a square y square upon b square. This is to be shifted to the other side. Take or divide both sides by a square. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. What is this equation? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. It represents the ellipse. So we have drawn the ellipse. X square plus a square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. इनिशियली वो जो स्ट्रिप है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल होगी. अभी मुझे जो स्ट्रिप निकालना है वो कैसे निकालना है? वर्टिकल निकालना है. सारे पॉइंट्स पॉजिटिव होने के कारण वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है. नाउ दिस इज अ ओरिजिन फॉर द इलिप्स. इट विल बी दिस पॉइंट इज इंटरसेक्टेड एट एक्स एक्सिस हैविंग a, 0 एज द कोऑर्डिनेट. ये होगा 0, b. आप पुट करो y इज इक्वल टू 0 तो क्या मिलेगा? एक्स स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए. पुट x is equal to 0, y square is equal to b square, y is equal to b. So accordingly I have got the points. So from the given limits it is an ellipse. By changing the order of integration and drawing vertical strip, limits of y will be variable and limits of x will be constant. So accordingly y के लिमिट्स वेरिएबल में होना है तो सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. y स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर. y स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर. y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर इंटू a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. y इज इक्वल टू b बाय a अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो y के लिमिट्स कहां से कहां तक जा रहे हैं? 0 से लेकर कर्व तक. What is this curve? This curve, what we are showing is b by a under root of a square minus x square, and x is moving from 0 to a. This particular strip is moved from this point to this point. X is 0 and here x is equal to a. So the limits are now changed to x as 0 to a, y as 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square. I have considered only the first quadrant because all the coordinates or the points have been positive. So integration is now transformed to 0 to a, 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square. पहले integration होगा with respect to y. What is integration of y? y square by 2. ये अपर लिमिट पुट करोगे तो इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा बी स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. ओपन करो, सिंप्लीफाई, जो भी एक्स बचेगा उसको इंटीग्रेट करना and put the limit 0 to a. After doing so, you get the answer as a square b square upon 8. So interpretation of the region and converting the strip to the new, this is what is important. Rest all process is not that difficult because you know how to integrate and get the answer. Surely in every case the final answer will always be positive, or it may be negative if the limits are accordingly, but as here it was the first quadrant, your answer is positive and it will always be a finite quantity. Another a bit different kind of problem, evaluate by change of order of integration 0 to pi by 2, 0 to y cos 2y under root of 1 minus k square sine square x dx dy. K square is lying between 0 to 1. See, though integrand appears to be complicated, we need to apply certain different methods, but region is to be evaluated first. These limits are considered for x, these limits are considered for y, because those are constant. Now you will say that, sir, here pi by 2 means is there theta involved? No, you take the value of pi as 3.14, 3.14 divided by 2, whatever will be the value is a constant quantity. So y is equal to pi by 2 can be a line which is parallel to x-axis and intersecting y-axis. Accordingly, I can get the coordinate there as 0, pi by 2. सो y इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2 अगर लाइन है कार्टेशियन में तो वो पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस रहेगी. जरूरी नहीं है कि दैट इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ थीटा. सो नॉट टू गेट कंफ्यूज, ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द रीजन. x is equal to 0 means this y axis, x is equal to y means this is a line which is passing through the origin, y equal to 0 means this is a equation for the x-axis, y is equal to pi by 2 is the line which is passing or intersecting y-axis parallel to x-axis. अभी आप बोलोगे कि सर इसमें रीजन कैसे निकालेंगे? I will let you know. x is equal to 0 is this particular portion, right? यहां से आगे. x is equal to y is this particular portion, यहां से आगे, ये लाइन से आगे. ठीक है. y equal to 0 means this particular portion पूरा, एंड y equal to pi by 2 वाला रीजन यानी ये वाला सब रहेगा, राइट? नाउ सारे का इंटरसेक्शन कहां पर हो रहा है? यहां पर हो रहा है. So accordingly I will be leaving this particular part and getting down the boundary of the region in this way. As these were the limits for x, originally वो horizontal strip होगा, but now I draw the vertical strip for our requirement. So I will be drawing the vertical strip in the given region which is bounded by all these lines. Luckily सारे lines हैं यहाँ पर. X is equal to 0 is a line which is a y-axis. X is equal to y is a line which is a line passing through origin. Y equal to 0 is a line which represents x-axis. Y is equal to pi by 2 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. तो सारे लाइन से बाउंडेड जो भी रीजन मिलेगा that will be our portion of integration. So drawing the vertical strip in that region, now I transform the limits. So from the given limits, the region of integration is as follows. New limits are y is moving from x to pi by 2 क्योंकि यहाँ पर बाउंड्री है, वेरिएबल में आ गया. x यहां से यहां तक जाएगा तो 0 से लेकर ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालो. भाई y is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to x है तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा? pi by 2 pi by 2. So x is moving from 0 से लेकर pi by 2 तक. So the new limits are x from 0 to pi by 2 and y from x to pi by 2. This is how the region of integration is drawn, and appropriately we will be simplifying and getting down the answer. So now the given integral gets transformed to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to y cos 2y under root of 1 minus k square sine square x dx dy. So integral 0 to pi by 2, this integration pehle with respect to y, so this square root will remain constant. Integration of cos 2y is sine 2y upon 2. Put the limit, get the answer, use the substitution over here to remove the square root sign. 1 minus k square sin square x equal to t. Simplify, derivative nikalo, change the limits appropriately. After that you will be simplifying and your answer comes out to be 1 upon 3 k square into 1 minus k square to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. या कभी अगर आप देखोगे तो माइनस बाहर है तो 1 minus will be the bracket. That is how the simplification is done to get the final answer. Right? So we are not going into the much detail of integration because that is the portion what you know. That is not a difficult task or a big task for us. Only the part to be covered or the portion to be understood is the changing of limits, drawing the region, draw the rough sketch of the region, consideration of the appropriate strip, whether it has to be a horizontal strip or a vertical strip, and then we do the simplification. The last example in connection with the change of order of integration, evaluate integral 0 to 4a x square by 4a to 2 root ax dy dx by changing the order of integration. Now these limits appear in variable x, means they must be representing y. Surely these limits are for x. So region of integration is bounded by y is equal to x square by 4a, y is equal to 2 root ax, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4a. X is equal to 0 means y axis, x is equal to 4a is the region, is the line which is parallel to y axis and intersecting x axis at point 4a comma 0. Y is equal to x square upon 4a, means x square is equal to 4ay. This is a parabola of this kind which is symmetrical about the x-axis. Clear? Y is equal to 2 under root ax, means y square is equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4x is a parabola of this kind. So accordingly, I will be drawing the region and getting down. This is particularly the region of integration. अगर आप देखोगे तो ठीक है. So draw the region appropriately. So what you are able to see, this is a parabola x square equal to 4ay. This is a parabola y square equal to 4ax. This is a line x equal to 4a. Coordinate is 4a comma 0. Point of intersection of these two parabolas is 4a comma 4a. अभी इनिशियली y के लिमिट्स वेरिएबल में यानी वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ कर चुके होंगे, तो अभी नया लिमिट स्ट्रिप जो रहेगा वो कैसा रहेगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप. फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप चेंजिंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, we first integrate with respect to x. Lower end of the strip lies on this parabola. ये parabola क्या है, y square is equal to 4ax. So x is equal to क्या है, y square upon 4a. And upper end of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. So y is x is equal to under root ay into 2. This is how it will be done. And y will be moved from this line to this line where y is 0 and y is 4a. So integration is done for x between y square by 4a to 2 under root ay. यहाँ पर ay होना है. And x y from 0 to 4a. Do the integration, get the answer in the form of y. Again integrate with respect to y and simplify. Your answer should come out as 16a square by 3. So this is how we try to simplify and get the answer. So I have tried to cover all possible types of problems related to change of order of integration, in which looking at the limits, the different regions are drawn or interpreted. Looking at the limits, you should be able to draw the region. एक रीजन अपना पैराबोला का इंटरसेक्शन, एक रीजन इलिप्स, एक रीजन स्क्वायर, एक रीजन लाइन से बाउंडेड है, एक रीजन अपर हाफ में आता है, एक रीजन लोअर हाफ में आता है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट वेल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.